Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how to organize your desktop icons. So as you can see, my desktop icons, they are all over the place and I want to organize it so everything can be in just 2 lines or 3 lines. Um, so the first thing I'm going to do is to try to change these icons so that they can be bigger or smaller, so that you can see it, how I do it. The size that they're on now is medium. So what I'm going to do is to right click anywhere on the screen, on the desktop, over view, and click on large to change the size of the icons. So as you can see, it's very large. They're huge. And I don't want this. So I'm going to right click again, and then I'm going to overview, and then I'm going to click on small. And it's very tiny. This is very tiny. So let's go back to medium. So I'm going to right click again and go to view and click on medium. Okay, so now I want to organize this desktop so that all my icons can be in order instead of scattered all over the desktop. So what I'm going to do is to right click again, overview, and then I'm going to click on auto arrange icons, and see, everything appears on one side. So this is how you organize your desktop icons. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.